educators, in this video, you will learn how to teach the concept of using a mapping diagram. We hope that after you watch this video, you will be able to use our method to teach your learners. At the end of this video, you will be able to teach how to solve word problems by using a mapping diagram. So what is the purpose of drawing a mapping diagram? Number 1, it is to show which input values attract to which output values and to identify the relationship between values. Number 2, to use the inverse function in undoing the operation. You can teach your students this mapping diagram to solve problems. This is an example of a mapping diagram. Now let's solve a word problem by using a mapping diagram. Sam and Tom are brothers. Sam is 8 years older than Tom. When Tom is 50 years old, how old is Sam? Students will definitely know how to solve it using the arithmetic way, which is 50 minus 2 equals to 48. But for those students who cannot visualize it, the mapping diagram will explain it very simply. First, you have to remind your students to state the unknowns. In this case, X will represent Sam's age and Y will represent Tom's age. Next, guide them on how to write an algebraic equation. In this case, the equation will be X plus 8 equals to Y. Let Sam be X and Tom be Y. Now let's go back to the question. When Tom is 50 years old, how old is Sam? Put this equation into a mapping diagram. The input will be Sam and the output will be Tom, and the operation in between would be plus 8. The question is, when Tom is 50, how old will Sam be? 50 will be the output because it represents Tom's age. Once you have the outline, the next step is to show the main purpose of its inverse function. We use the mapping diagram to show the inverse function to see the relationship between two variables and solve the problem. In this question, the inverse of plus 8 is negative 8, which gives you the answer of 50 minus 8 equals to 42. The inverse will be able to help students who can't comprehend and visualize the question solve the problem. If you have trouble explaining the arithmetic in the algebraic method, you use the inverse function to solve the problem. Thanks for watching our video, created by Kimberly, Amanda, and Christy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the link below.
Created using Powtoon.